And boy, vet passed by. Everybody looking. See, it stoves in the house and everybody cooking. Where they going? They gonna mow down here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Shit, me too. Me too, Pepe. I'm not gonna jump in their formation, so I'll park across the way. Look what I tube you. We got all the vets. All of them. Oh yeah, I bought the firepower today. They won't catch me out here lacking. It's a bunch of old folks. But you know, we're gonna check them out. I could have swore I saw a ZR1. I gotta see if I can find it. I don't know if I was tripping or not, but I could have swore I seen one. They're everywhere. They ain't even got enough space to park. All the old schools. They ain't trying to do nothing. How you doing? Z06. That's the one that I thought was a freaking ZR1 right there. Guess I can't see straight. Ooh. More coming in. Oh, there they go. The rest of them still rolling in. See if I can get them. You got it looking good, man. You got it looking good. Look, they trying to cram up there. Grand Sports. What's going on? Ooh, boy, look at that color. Look at that. Cherry 17. Grand Sport. Any more they left behind? They done left everybody behind. We got over there. Grand Sport. Grand Sport. That Z06. Oh, we got the Z07 package. He gonna hit that top speed real quick. Slow down. He coming the other way. He must have missed a turn. All the Grand Sports. I think this is the best. This is the best color. Stop it. Stop it. Now see, I don't understand is why they got all these Corvette groups out here. But I can't seem to find a Mopar group to save my life. Literally everybody I stop and talk to, there's just nothing. Guess I'm gonna have to do some more searching because I can't find a thing.
Hi, Steve. Hey. Looks like you might have found a house, huh?
All right, let's go find food. The Z06s out here, all the ones that would really be fun to play with. Let these folks go eat, and I'm gonna go find me some food. All right, two of you. So they told me like 2 weeks ago that they would be getting one of these things in. I had to come see it for myself. Jesus Christ. Them things is tough. Man, I really love these wheels. Oh man, I like that so much better than mine. I wish we got that instead. Nothing really different in the back. Charge M still the same. Hellcat M still the same. Trunk still the same. Bro, I do like this though, how it's color matched to that stripe on the back. Let's check out the inside. Daytona seats, which I think is weird. Like, they don't get like different Daytona seats or anything like that. Like a special Hellcat Daytona seat. No middle armrest in the middle and the back, just like mine. Now this is dope, how they got the carbon fiber, or the darker carbon fiber. Mine is like a more metallic-y. I do like that. The blue stitching all around. I'm assuming that's standard on all Daytonas. Of course, the plate over there. Hey, wait, which one of these mugs got crashed through the gate? I don't think it was this one. No way they would have got it fixed that quick. 200 on the dash. I don't know. I don't think there's really much difference. I don't know where the keys are. Obviously, I'm not going to start it. Everything looks pretty standard. Looks just like a regular Hellcat in here. No differences. On the sunroof. Close her up. Check the back. Oh, yep. Yep. Back seats. Exactly the same. Let's see if we can find that sticker, the window sticker. Let's check that out. How much we looking at? How much we looking at? It's 80K, but I'm sure that's not what it's going for. There's no way. There's no way. Custom. Let's go see what number this is. I guess I could have looked up there. Oh, right. What number we got? 333 or 501. So this ain't the one that was all messed up. Ooh. Up the way to Narnia. Oh my God. There she go. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, so maybe just on the black one it's color matched, because this one's just silver. Obviously the stripe is blue. I don't care what y'all say, man. These things look dope. They do look dope. Now, is it worth the extra 50 grand over a regular one? Probably not. Probably not. So this one also has the blue stitching as well. Blue stitching all around, same as the other one. What number is this? 495. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. 23 miles on it. Somebody already got a lucky test drive. 305, same as the other one. You guys already know. And for those of you, they still give you the option to leave on your stupid pink splitter next to the F8 and I guess granite, whatever. Now, how much are you guys letting Daytonas go for?
I think that's 80, isn't it?
You guys let them go for MSRP?
I don't know. Probably.
That's hard to believe. For those of you in the market for one, definitely come down here and check them out. Man, this man got a Hellcat and they sold it to him with the black key. The black key. Yo, you gotta, yeah. It's gonna be like $200. I can already tell you for one fob. So I had my 2010 and I needed the key fob replaced for that. They wanted $200 for it. I don't even want to know what it's gonna be for those.
Yeah. I mean, it's cool though. I need that 7 though, so I don't care.
So, oh yeah, cause you gonna get caught lacking out here. Everything. I beat a Hellcat. Yeah. I beat a Hellcat. It's like, bruh, the man running around with the damn black key. Damn. So where's Autoland at? Is that
Autoland? Nah, it's Autoland. I don't even know where Autoland is, but it's ran through my credit union.
Oh, so you ordered it then?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I have
Okay. You got anything done to it, or just
No, it's stock right now.
the last owner didn't do nothing to it? Cause the last owner did something to mine that blew the fuck up. You in any like groups or anything? Me neither. I just got here.
Cancel all that stuff. I can't. I gotta stay out of all that. Yeah.
I just want to get on the group.
Nah.
No. This is my first time meeting him. Man, you got it looking good though. What color stripes you gonna put on? Black ones? It's definitely gonna look clean.
Yeah, you were looking for these Hellcats. Yeah.
Damn, man, I hate recording on my phone, bro. Like, the phone zooms into everything, so I can't see anything. I gotta stand a million miles back from every fucking thing. But my GoPro just makes stupid noises all the time I try to record.
We never get. I mean, we do.
So I was sitting here talking to one of the dudes, man. Turns out they're actually letting the Daytonas in there, and this Trackhawk included go for MSRP. So y'all in the area here at where we at? Lancaster Auto Mall, Hunter Dodge Jeep, Chrysler Dodge Jeep. I think it's called Hunter, something like that. They're actually letting those Daytonas go for MSRP. Now, as far as when you get in here, you know what the price does. That ain't on me. So, but if y'all got 80K and in the area, I would definitely come out here and check them out. You saw they got the white one upstairs and they got the black one right here on the showroom floor. And then they just got this Trackhawk in there. Man, he's quiet. Let me get back over there. He's just quiet.
I'm about to get on that.
All right, man.
All right, bro.
You got an IG or anything like that?
I don't be on IG, but I got Snapchat.
Snapchat? I ain't got no Snapchat. Damn. Where you be at? Like just around Lancaster and shit?
Yeah, I live in Palmdale.
Live in Palmdale? 2018. Damn, they really did them dirty with that black key, man. I'd be mad. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. I'd be mad as hell. Well, that's kind of what they did with me, except for they eventually gave me the red key, you know what I'm saying? Remember that white one? I told y'all guys how just down on power that thing felt. Man. I should have stayed in the white girl club. I don't know, boy. This red kind of sexy, boy. Look at them both. Ooh. Damn, we should have got some pictures. All right, man. That's that stock. So he ain't even been touched. Look. I hate this parking lot, man. It is so cluttered. Like, I had to go down there and turn around because there's nowhere to just loop around. Oh, there's a Mustang. That's tough. What Trig call it? Black excellence.